How about a little change of pace? M&M's candy mascots put on indefinite pause. You know I hate the word indefinite. What does it mean? What are you telling me? It's the opposite of definite. Okay, indefinite. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 years. I guess this brand has taken heat over these M&Ms and their adjustment. And I'm not talking about the candy. I am talking about the marketing.
Yes.
And how, I guess, and I have not been following this closely whatsoever, but these candies are apparently woke now. They're woke candies, and or at least according to conservative pundits, they are woke in their presentation. They made modifications. They changed some outfits.
Yeah.
And people have been critical, I guess, of these characters, and probably others supportive, because you know how it is, 2023. You got these two sides of the spectrum. There seems to be no middle ground, and it seems like everybody's yelling and shouting all the time. Earlier this month, M&M's launched limited edition packaging, which had the words "supporting women" on them and featured the brand's 3 female spokes candies. Brown, green, and the newly introduced purple. The first time M&M's packaging has solely featured female characters, celebrating women flipping the status quo. So money from the sales were donated to charities. Fox News personality Carlson dedicated a segment to the candy, saying woke M&Ms are back. The green M&M is now a lesbian maybe, and there is also a plus side obese purple. Obese. It's so funny because it's M&Ms.
Yeah, they're candy.
And they're
candy.
They're not really descript. Like, I guess they are, but they're also just the shape of a candy. So, like, is the peanut M&M obese? Oh, yeah, that is kind of weird, because actually these M&Ms are not peanut M&Ms in this package. They're the regular M&Ms.
These ones are the peanut.
But the spokes candies
are
always representative of the variety of M&Ms which are available. So I'm assuming the purple obese one is only obese because there's a peanut inside.
Well, they're all the same. They look all the same here, though.
No, they don't.
What do you mean?
The obese purple M&M is taller because there's a peanut. It's the shape of a peanut.
But not the green one.
I know.
The brown one.
No, the brown one is the peanut butter, and the green one is the standard M&M. The shape changes based on which M&M they're promoting. Look, you understand what I'm saying? Those 3 M&Ms and those 3 have shown up on those 3 packages. Peanut, standard, and of course it's me getting caught up in the actual product and not the political conversation that I'm supposed to be angry about. I'm not angry about it.
Well, this candy's not obese.
Like, I don't have enough.
Just saying.
No, the candy's not obese because it got a peanut inside. That's why it's not obese. It had to be that shape to fit the peanut. Now, the purple aspect, I don't know about. But obviously, he's having fun, and he's a bit of a comedian. It's kind of part of the show. Like, that's what he's going for. Every American with half a brain, this is a quote here from another personality, Nick Adams. Every American with half a brain should be outraged by M&M's going woke. Manhood is under attack like no other time in history. In a Monday announcement, M&M said it didn't expect for the changes it had made to its spokes candies to break the internet, and noted even a candy's shoes can be polarizing, which is the last thing the brand wanted.
Yeah, last time they changed the shoes. Before
they took away the high heels, right?
Something to do with like heels, and then they changed it to sneakers.
I recall this, okay? The last thing the brand wanted, since we're all about bringing people together, spokes candies are being put on indefinite pause. Yeah, like, listen.
And then they replaced the candies with Maya Rudolph.
Well, you know how this thing is, my dude. It is, you get into these meetings with people in advertising business, and everyone's trying to paint a picture and do something, and who knows whose initiative is what, but ultimately they want to sell you a thing.
Sure.
And if it becomes a point of contention, an argument, a place of conflict, people aren't feeling in the type of mood they're trying to eat some candy. When you're angry. Maybe you are. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe that was maybe it's a conspiracy. It's the idea from the get-go. Let's get them aggravated about these candies so they want to eat them.
The candy.
Oh, you don't like obese purple M&M? Maybe you want to chomp one down. No, I don't think that was the plan. But anyway, they're going indefinite pause anyway, and I'll still eat M&Ms, I guess. Like I don't actually the peanut one is my favorite. So apparently I'm the obese purple one of the group. That's what inspires me, because by far the peanut one's my favorite. Although I also realize I'm not being inclusive to you when I say that.
Yeah, how dare you?
So you're offended for other reasons because Will can't eat the peanuts, so he's mad at M&Ms for totally separate reasons from the political ones. He's saying, I think he's trying to get rid of peanut M&Ms because they're just not inclusive to him.
Yeah, I don't like them.
And I gotta be honest, please don't do that, because that's my favorite one, dude. I'll pick some up on the way out.